a nice little Adidas bucket hat.
They're trying to get me. Why are you trying to do this here? I thought you guys were cool. What is this? You guys back from up north?
Yep. How you doing?
Good. What exactly is this? Do you know?
I don't know what that one is. Yeah, we've been down here for a while.
Yeah.
I never really looked at that one.
I'm trying to figure out what it is, because like flipping Cade, but like, is there supposed to be other pieces to it? See the stickers. 2 tabletop game. I think there's supposed to be little game pieces with it. Do you have those?
It's a game though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a game. Do you have the pieces for it?
No, it'd be in there. There isn't.
It's not in there. Yeah, it looks like it's missing the pieces to it.
That could be.
Yeah.
Oh, you got flattened out.
Yeah.
Crush it. I bought them in big boxes when
I just love looking at this stuff.
Yeah, this is something coming right there. I've been sitting on it for 30 years. My buddy owns a discount store. He said, boss man, he didn't want to put them on. He said they're only worth $1 each. He didn't want to waste his floor space.
Yeah.
So he sold them all to me.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. The Fisher Price, the Muppets.
I know, I packed them all. I packed them.
Yeah.
We started them. We went through them all. It's new, but
I think I bought one from you guys last year.
they have cellophane on it.
Yeah, I did have cellophane on
Yeah,
it. It was
we got
still
some in good shape.
it was still new.
That's new too.
Ma'am, how much you have on the Mr. T?
Well, that one was 25.
25.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
20.
You do 20 that one? I bought one from you guys last year.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he knows all about
The,
it.
this is just kind of disintegrated and you come off it.
Is this yours, ma'am? How much you asking for the TV? 200?
It's never been used. Brand new.
It's been open.
Open it.
Yeah. Comes with the glasses?
Yep.
Have you anyone tried it out to see if it actually works?
Yes. I mean, you can open it up and check it out. If
Yeah.
you want.
What's the best you do on it, you think?
I can call my husband and see what he'll say.
Okay. I can swing back around. So.
Okay, I'll find
But,
out.
all right, thank you. Future Rod here. Here's a little bolo for you guys. Keep an eye out for these PS3 3D TVs. They do have the 3D glasses that go along with them. They were limited release. They weren't a big seller for them. They can bring anywhere from like $200 to $300 if you find them. She said this one was new. It definitely wasn't new. They weren't willing to negotiate on the price, so I decided to pass. Regardless of your political affiliation, keep an eye out for political items right now. With the election around the corner, they can bring a premium. How much is the bobblehead?
50 bucks.
50 bucks. Unfortunately, he was asking 3 times what this item was selling for, so we decided to pass. Oh, that's Super Friends is cool. I love these old ones. The graphics on these are so cool. Does it come in a lunch? No lunchbox. Is it lunchbox inside? I mean the thermo.
The thermos is gone.
Thermos gone.
Those are usually the first things to go.
I know.
Kids were rough with those.
Yeah. I know. All right, let's see what you got. What do you think about getting?
I think I'm gonna do it. I love 83.
83. Let's try these. These are 15.
I might do
each.
85. I probably should.
Well, we should.
84.
Let's
What's
do-
going on 84?
I think it's 60.
It's well worth it. 84's got Merino.
Yeah.
Marino, Aikman, and
Not Aikman.
It's Merino and
Elway,
I thought it
Marino.
was Aikman,
Aikman's,
Elway,
Aikman's 89. Same class as Barry Sanders and Dion and all those guys.
I know that. I know.
We're gonna do
that.
2 of these, right? You want it?
I'm gonna. What is this one?
This is 85 tops.
I'm just gonna
McGuire.
do, I just want 1 pack of that. And one.
Well, if you buy them all, you like it's, you know, if you buy the 2, it's still going to be
Yeah, so why don't we do
cheaper
this?
price.
Let's buy 2. Buy 2 of those. We'll split.
Okay.
Yep, and then you
works.
buy 2 of those.
Yeah, want to do 2 of these?
Yeah, are you all right with
Yeah.
doing 83? I just like 83.
Split it, and then that way we'll save a little discount for both of us here. All right, so what do we owe you? You said 35. These are what, 20 for the 2? So 55. So we owe you 70. So 35 bucks each.
Okay, that works. Man.
Is that Mr. Tornado? What's up, bro?
1, 2, 3 again. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Harry Tornado taking photos. Yeah. So now you guys are about to see where I kind of mess up. and give away $200 for free.
Bro, what's up, man?
What's up? How y'all doing?
Good, man.
Follow us, Relics from the Attic. We just started filming our first TikTok videos. I think I have 25 followers, and I wasn't even a TikToker, but they convinced me last week, like, yo, Anthony, you need to be on TikTok. That's right. And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna be on TikTok. And it works out for all of us. Love it. So, look, can you like and follow my pages, and I will like and follow your pages too. And just send me a link, because when people like and follow, I try to get back in there like this, but send it in the messages too, and I'll get in there and I'll like and follow. I'd appreciate it.
I just had this hat in my hand and I put it back down. What do you see what this thing's valued at?
I'd appreciate it. And anything you guys see, we make package deals. Look around, folks, we make package deals.
Yeah, it's cool. I know they just lost, but this is a Carhartt hat.
That's a Carhartt hat?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Carhartt Buccaneers?
Yeah.
Oh, no, because he'll be dropping F-bombs every other word.
Oh, okay.
That's why I had to tell him that. Little Bob Ross. Oh, the Mickey one's cool.
Yeah.
It's a... There you go, a little snapback Islanders action, New York.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. I had it in my hand for a second time. I walked over and I handed it right to Josh. Harry Tornado. Yeah. I'm glad he got it, but kind of hurt my soul a little bit when I saw the comps on this hat.
A little BMW if you want a BMW.
Yeah, these are pretty good hats. What does he normally charge?
I don't know. Just tell him that he'll work you a bundle deal.
Yeah. It's a nice little Adidas bucket hat. Huh.
Here's a Logo 7 Atlanta Braves hat. This is perfect for your...
San Francisco, they're still in it, right?
Yep. Ravens, San Francisco, Lions, and Chiefs.
Chiefs, yeah. Who do you think's going to win?
I'm probably going to be Niners versus Ravens, I'm thinking.
Hey, I handpick all these hats, so are you guys still recording?
These are nice.
Yeah.
So I buy bins, I buy storage units, but I handpick all these hats. I throw all the dollar ones out to my dollar store.
So how much are they set price?
It's all different prices, but like for you guys, because you guys are trying to resell,
Yeah.
package deal it up, so.
Okay, I'll make a pile and then we'll work it out.
Pile, yeah.
I still had, some of these hats are $30, some are 50, but you guys resell. You know what the game is, but I promise you.
He'll make you a deal.
Oh, all different prices. We'll make a deal with you.
What, a Buccaneer Super Bowl hat? Yeah. Check this one out, man. I'm getting this one.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's great. Hugs and bundles. See, I got a lot of. See, you guys came through, and now I got energy. Because I'll tell you what, the energy over here was low.
Well, you got to bring it up,
dude,
man.
Hey, so this doesn't have a box, it's cheaper, right, Anthony?
I had 6 on it. I'll do 4 right now. Because I've had it for a while. Yep. It's worth every penny of it.
PFG.
I got you.
Hey, it's new with tags. What?
PFG does it super well for us.
Yeah.
They told me last week y'all were coming, so I went and bought.
Really?
I sold almost all my hats last week.
Did you?
Yeah, I sold all but 1 box, and I went and brought like 6 more boxes of hats.
This is a minor league baseball team.
What are they?
I think it's Daytona Dragons, if I'm not mistaken. Dayton Dragons, that's what it is.
What, $10? There's 20. Get me some.
Another one.
I need a drink too. I don't have anything to drink.
That's
please.
a vintage
Thank you.
one.
Imagine opening up a storage unit that's been in there for 30 years. Because I don't know, the Fenton glass right there, I would do 70 for that Fenton piece.
Are you looking at these?
Oh, no.
What are you asking for these little guys?
All these right here,
Yeah.
you gotta, what are you trying to do? Just
I don't
those right there?
I was looking at these hats too.
Those right there?
You got 3 hats.
I would do all these right here. Just these right here, I'll do for 50.
50
and then
for those?
if you buy those for 50, I'll do this for 10, that for 10, that for 5. So you'd be at 56, 75. Fair deal.
No, these are.
So the camera and that, I'll tell you what, we'll do. This whole container was filled with Hero Click Marvel game pieces. I've sold these in the past, but $50 is a lot. I decided to pass. That one I would do, this one I'll do 20 for. And so 20 on that, and that's like 5 on that. And then I want to keep them whole. I want to sell them as a deal.
These usually do. I used to do really well with these. So these are Memory Company from the early 2000s. They all did a bunch of sports teams stuff. There's like 3 different models. You should get like $25, $30. If you ever come across these, any sports teams, especially college stuff, pick them up.
Somebody else had those, but they were like really specific.
Yeah.
It wasn't sports stuff.
You're not losing 12, 15 if you want. We'll make a deal. Come on, let's talk. We just made a deal on the other. Oh, go ahead.
No, those guys.
They're trying to get me. He's trying to bundle me. Why are you trying to do this here? I thought you guys were cool. Wait.
I'm gonna hand him $1,200.
They're trying to talk me out of house. How can I make anything? These guys are awesome.
Right, you figure this out. I'm gonna cancel money.
For all you people having yard sales, these guys are actually coming to your house. You don't want to do the work to put it online. Flip your stuff to them. Okay.
What about this right here?
I would do.
Hey, we're headed back.
We'll see you.
40.
40 for it all?
You're getting a deal, bro. I'm making it happen.
I'll do 40. I'll do 40, man.
I appreciate you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
You always take care of me.
No, man. You bring all your people through.
You know we're good people.
Yeah, so it's all good. The more people that I get, the higher I can raise my platform. Then I can go real treasure hunting. Keep going, like buying more stuff. The horse and carriage? Yeah. Listen to this. The horse and carriage. I would say this with a straight face. Ready? Wait, go. Wait, say it again. I love this question. 25,000. 25,000. 25,000. This is St. Julian weather vane Fisk. 25,000. Now I may not get that. It's open for wheel and deal, but 25,000.
I bet they'll take.
I got a cool story about that.
Take 24.
I'll take 24,000. I'll take 23 and a half, bro. What's up? No, but I found it. I was doing a live video. We were filming in an old somebody's back of the house, right? In an old barn, whatever, shed, whatever. In the rafters, it was up there.
Now it's time for them to step up to the plate.
Okay. Okay.
Got 2 bags of stuff.
2 bags.
It's just the mushroom canister set.
Okay. This is really cool.
That is really cool. We got the little Geo.
Okay. Okay, a little Geo.
And a little squishmallow.
Little squishmallow. Those squishmallows sell, man. I sell heavy squishmallows here. Yeah. It's super, yeah.
Lots of fun.
Yeah, let's just put it in there. I can look at it and see.
Lots of fun.
Okay.
We got bags.
Okay. Bags.
1, 2, 3, 4 bags, and then all of this is hats. Another function.
Right.
All that's hats. Oh, and another bag.
Bottom dollar, 150. You're not losing. What do you think? Talk with me. You're not losing. What were you thinking? Because you got Kate Spade, you got Coach, you got some of my goodest bags up there today.
That's right, yeah.
So, I mean, I see you got my Squishmallows. These are things that attract people.
The canister set.
The canister set right there.
That's good.
I charge 40 for that. So, I mean, altogether, I think that's a fair deal. I mean,
How about 140?
sold. Dude.
140.
That's, I mean, if that's what
just
you
so I don't have to do a change.
If that's what you counter with, cool, brother. I'm
good.
happy.
I'm
You're
good with
happy.
that.
Oh, I'm sorry. You got 24,000. I thought you were back.
Oh, that's cool.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Good, good. I'm doing $5 a piece. You buy them all, I can do them $3.
Yeah.
So you already know though.
Yep.
I told him.
Yeah.
He's the wrestling guy.
I just say it anyways.
I'll bring him.
Yeah, these are the early Jax ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll pass on those. What do you have on the Game Shark?
$15.
Do you have the book that goes with it?
No, but
You don't have the
I have
code
a
book?
bunch of booklets in here.
Tigger Junior,
There's
Super
some
Game Boy.
Game Genies in the back.
Yeah, because you need that with the codes for the Game Genies. Madden.
I'll give you that whole book and that for $20.
$20 in the whole book?
Yeah.
Game Genie. These are... Game Genie is NES. So that's an N64 one. These are NES, 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 NES. Yeah, it's missing the book. Super Smash TV. I'll give you 20.
Cool. See anything else now? Making deals on anything else?
How much are your figures down there?
It all varies what you want, man. You get the more you buy, the cheaper it is. You know how it goes, man.
Yeah, I got you.
I have a bunch of make a deal, man. So I do a lot of shows, so there's a lot of prices on there that you know.
Yeah, I know. I got you. I've been buying so much already. I'm debating if I even want to get more stuff to bring back to me. You know what I mean? Do you have any more video game stuff at all?
No, but you can take all those for $10.
$10.
Yeah, I give them all for $10, you know.
Congrats. Actually, is this a card reader?
Yeah, $30 you can have it. It works, man. It's just not charged right now. It was at a bottomless bin when I bought a bunch of shit.
Thank you.
Back in January, the Trash of Cash had an event down in Orlando. A bunch of us went to the Webster Flea Market on Monday, and we all get to go picking together. When I go picking with other people that are visiting, I always try to help them out. I was just pulling hats off the table to pass them over to Harry Tornado because I know they were looking for a bunch of inventory. Obviously, I didn't look any of them up, and he actually sold that hat on Whatnot for $180. So good for him. You know, I was trying not to buy a lot here at the end because I already had a whole truck full of stuff, and you guys have seen a lot of that in the previous videos. But the hats I bought, I'm gonna make a little profit on, but I would have made a huge profit if I would have bought that Islanders hat, which I had no idea about, but now I know. That's the beauty with what we do, and the reason why we all go picking with other pickers. We all learn from each other. Harry Tornado got those 2 bags of stuff for $140, and he sold that 1 hat for $180. So that covered all his items. The rest is pure profit. So they did really good in that pickup. So shout out to Anthony. Thank you for the hookup there. I had a blast picking with Carey for American Arbitrage sports cards. You know, he opened up a bunch of those packs on his channel. So go check it out right here. I still haven't opened up those packs. I will here in the near future. We're going to be doing a special project with those. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you guys like and subscribe. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.